So hey guys, fam, it's your girl Kaya, back with another lit video. Let's get to it. So you know my mom is on her VL. So home girl have enough time. So she's cooking up a storm. Hey. So my mom is about to cook fish cake for you guys. You know something? I can get a conversation with dad. You know what, Kaya? Me too. Mm-hmm. Like this woman own cook dirty food stuff.
What's up, hey guard fan? You know it's your girl Linka, and I'm back with another lit video. I'm about to make some fish cakes, so get in here while we make it together. Now, this is my ingredients. This is the fish. This is the seasoning. I made this seasoning myself. I normally make my seasoning myself because I don't like the one that is on the road. The milk, I don't normally use egg. This with all the fish cake together. This is the black pepper. This is the lime. And this is the cubes. I already grated the garlic on top of the fish. Even though my seasoning is already blended with garlic, I still grate garlic on my meat. So this is the garlic grated on the fish, and I'm about to season up this fish. This is the potato boiling on the stove. So when I finish seasoning up the fish, I'm gonna leave it down there for 50 minutes. Then I would add the potato to it when it gets cold. So this is the fish seasoned up. So I'm leaving it down to marinate for 50 minutes. So everything would soak up and will be well flavored by the time I'm ready to fry it. The potato is finished boiling, so I strain it. So I'm leaving it here to get cold. No, you get this guy give you a story time when cooking. So you laugh now. I know people now for right combinations. I say, all right, I gotta learn for cook. So I say, all right, I telling me mother, me grandma want to teach me for cook. The people, my grandma don't make fish cake, but like, well, I don't know for make these things. And my mother, she cooking it. So I said, granny teach me cook. Agree. I say, all right, and I say this thing. This time, me brother calling me for play with me, me brother down. I said, nah, I gonna put upon a pause. I did in the kitchen now, the lady telling me what to do. Pops, time now for fry this fish cake. I said, Granny, I want the first one for taste it. So I said, Granny, since it done, you give me me own. This is the worst mistake I make. Bye. Granny said, I gotta wait till the thing I cool. I said, Granny, I want me own half. They're in the stove, they're cooking this gravy. And we grandma take out this fish cake and put it in me hand. And this lady get barely hear the lady tell me this thing body me hand. One to you that jumping. One to you up there jumping like a frog. This time this lady know this thing body me hand by. Here she gonna ask now for you say how the thing taste. I say it tastes hot. I done there in a passion now got me hand body me. Then now I jump now and I done jump into this pot. So my mother just done stir this pot with it catch behind me hand by. I say, oh gosh, well, this is the end of the arm. I said, well, me I want to learn. Me I want to learn for cook no more. Bye. Duh, is always I got you for learn for cook. I said, me I done with cooking. I said, I got downstairs and play with me brother. Done I done with the cooking by it. And easy I take it hard for make sure fish cake with double in me and I could never forget that. Use the hard fish cake for brand the ingredients in me and I never come out of my brains. I tell you, that wasn't easy. Why me I learn for cook fish no more. But little trend, don't try that at home. I know next time I want something right away and I want it at I ain't collecting it in my hand. It's a saucer for me or a plate. I don't know if you guys got to tell you a little story. So into the fish. So I'm about to roll it off and fry it now. So I'm going to put on the oil to get hot so I can fry it on the slow fire. Well, this is the first set frying. Look at it. Smell the seasoning. What is a fish without seasoning and lime or vinegar? My neighbors be smelling my food. I want to bake for some. Well guys, this is the results of some of the fish cake I have fried. So look, I've break one to show you, but I have to wait till it get cold because it's some brownie me and frying the others. So get down in that comment, like, subscribe, watch out these videos, and comment and tell me what other video you would like me to do. And also look out for me making egg ball and sour step by step. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment, watch these videos, like and share. Boom out. The Agard fan, comment below to tell me if you would like me to brown this ingredients in your hand just like my grandmother did for me. Just kidding.